Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ay, gano'n ka na nila. Pero ang sutinak. Aray ko, ayaw. Para pinadulit ang aking nawong. Okay. Pinadulit. Kaya nga ako nagpadulit. Akong to ka. Lawag sa inyo. Good morning, Pilipinas! Hi! Baby ni Mama. Na. Ako lang pagod na. Okay, dahil na. Kala na si Sayo, yan nabuhay. Hindi po met, kumakaw kayo. Kuhaan naman, ikan 100 dito live. Ha? Ha? 100 year life. Ito, mas big ang imong kit. Magrapit. Magrapit na. Lower. I have cough and fever. Also my baby. We have fever only. We don't have cough. Only. Never. Complain. We have fever before. This is my vlog for today, and too much is sleepy and too much haggard of my face and too much again. Kulay. Uy! Pagtero gani. Gomi. Pinakayo ko lang. I'm too much sleepy, but I cannot sleep because my baby is it over me. It's over me because his lips is going out.